Hello everybody, welcome to my presentation. I am Janet Patricia Rogallo. I'm a student of a public accounting. I work for Kaplan International Colombia and it is my job. I always get to work at 8:30 a.m. and I must register my arrival time. In my job, I am a finance and administrative assistant. He is my coworker Juan Carlos. In my job, there are 2 computers, 2 phones, and one of those monitors gives me an office view. They are the entry to the office with the parking. This is the meeting room. This is the reception. They are my coworker to customer care department. She is the visas coordinator. They are my coworkers of Salesforce department. They are my coworkers of account department. She is the coordinator, the finance coordinator, and she is the finance manager. They are my co-workers to marketing department. She is the commercial manager and she is the marketing assistant. This is the kitchen and she is Jacqueline, the personal of service, general service. My main responsibility is checking that everything is working properly and reporting any news to the country manager. Generally, on Wednesday and Fridays, I have to register in Word Office software all the account information. On the Monday, on Thursday and Tuesday, I am in charge of carrying out other assistance tasks such as verifying correspondence and mails, transfer for information, calls to the Salesforce area, and issue reports requests by the administration. Thank you for your very attention. Bye.